Hi guys, I hope everybody's okay. New microphone came into the shack today, the Astatic 1104, which is the base version of the Astatic 575. This is the bigger brother of the 575. So condition wise, really nice. Not been able to test it yet because it's got a it looks like it's been used on a HF radio or something like that, so we'll be looking to get that off soon and try it on the Super Snake. The cord's in really tight condition. I don't think it's been overly used, to be honest. These kind of get very baggy after a few years, and this is definitely an older microphone, so beautiful condition. I'll just give it a bit of a clean. Still got the original controls on the side. A lot of these do tend to come off, so there's the tone side, and this one's the volume side, and they work really well. They're very, they're very free. They're not stuck or tight, so that's good. The lock works here. Everything works, so that's great as well. A little bit yellowed, but I plan to try and get that off. But very nice microphone. These tend to sell for quite a lot of money because they do work very well. So I'll give you a bit of an update on that when I've got it wired up on the Super Snake 2000. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and best 7 threes. Bye for now.